is that whether we are going to have a regional plan or not going to have a regional plan. Here, governments have gone on the regional plan. I am making myself clear as a zoning plan also to bring out. It becomes, when if you appoint a consultant and bring it out, then what happens is that they go on their technology, broad roads and other things. It doesn't fit in our definition at all in the state. And then it becomes a problem. So as a result of which, we have to first understand and sit down and have some sort of deliberation exactly what we want in the state of Goa. Speaker sir, I assure the House and through your medium, I want to assure the members that they have raised all the points which has been noted by me and my office. Each and every point is going to be addressed. I'm not just going to give vague thing, and also in San Jose Real, Cruz has mentioned a certain aspect that is also being addressed. I've told him, he has already mentioned to me and sent me the plans, and I think whatever needs to be done will be done in a manner which I've assured you, telephonically I've assured Cruz that this is going to be done, and I'm going to do it that in a particular manner. Seldida जे कितें एल्टनान दिला ते पळयल्लें आसा. जितान जे कितें विशय हांवें सांगला ताका की आमी वचून पळया कितें तेजें कितें what is his concern. Madam Dilela came today with a communique to me. Her issue also I'm addressing. I've already told the department to go and check exactly what has happened, whether we have any application pertaining to any of these things and take it forward.